So to be honest, today I will not let you feel bored, and today I have a different types of topic, and I have a different types of a trick for speaking English language. If you are a beginner and you are not able to speak English language fluently, and you are thinking like I want to learn English language, so this video is only for you. And if the person wants to learn English language, so he has a most common problem. Everyone has, these types of problems, and that is uh, with whom we can speak. If there is no one, you may have someone. I have no one like for speaking. I am alone here, and whatever I do alone. Okay, so in your case also, I think whatever you want to do, whatever you want to learn, so the problem will be arising that there is no one and with whom we can practice, because the environment is not according to the English language, and the environment is quite changed, but we want to learn English language, so with whom we can practice. So my friend, in as I think that we should make our own self as a friend. Okay, I mean, see, I have different types of ability to speak with myself. If there is no any mobile camera, if there is nothing, if there is no one, so still I can speak with myself, right? So I just want to say that if you try to speak with yourself, so can you do that? Can you speak with yourself alone if there is no one, and you are just walking on the road, and slowly you are speaking with yourself? So can you do that? It is the best it is the best trick to learn English language and to speak English language, right? Because every time we don't have someone for practicing, for learning, for speaking. Okay, so it is very unique way for speaking, but I know it is not very easy for speaking with our own self, because there are different types of thoughts come in our mind, that we just stop speaking and we think a lot in our mind. Okay, so and if I talk about English, so to learn English language and to speak English language, we need to have thoughts. Okay, and if we are very beginner, so we are unable to speak alone. Okay, so how can we learn and how can we speak? So my friend, see, everyone has to face this type of problem. When I used to be a beginner, I also didn't know what to do or what not to do. At that time, I didn't have anyone to teach me. I didn't have anyone to practice with. Okay, so what did I do? At that time, I had only my phone, right? So sometimes it used to have recharge, and sometimes it did not used to have. But whatever the problems I faced, I just learned from it, and I used to just speak with myself. Sometimes I used to speak English language, and sometimes I used to speak Hindi language, like little sentence I used to speak, and then when I used to forget, then I should repeat again. Then I used to use my phone to translate it, like whatever I used to speak. If I am not sure that it is right or not, so I used to use my phone, right? So at those days, people used to call me like, why do you wander here and there alone, and what happened to you? People used to ask me a lot, and they say that still they ask, they just think a lot of different types of things in their minds, and they just make different types of stories in their minds. Yeah, but I don't care about that. Whatever people speak, so I just say that let them speak whatever they want to speak. Okay, whatever stories they are making, let them. Okay, whatever they are doing, it is the work of the people. Okay, they do not encourage the person. If someone wants to do something new, it is the reality of the rural areas. If someone wants to do something big in his life or her life, so they don't encourage. Very few people, and there are very few people who encourage. okay, the person who wants to do something in his life, okay. Or in your case also, I think if you want to learn English language, so my friend, if you don't have someone for practice, so start talking with yourself. Do not even whisper, but speak, loudly. So can you speak loudly with yourself? It is not as much easy as I'm saying that. It is not as much easy, but if you can try, I mean, so something could be happen. You can speak with yourself whenever you want to speak with yourself. You can speak, right? If there is no one, so try to give your time to yourself. Sometimes we should give our time to ourselves, so that we could know ourselves, our reality, who we are actually, right? So my friend, just try to spend your time with yourself as well, and once you will do it, you will realize that who you are. You will realize that we should talk with ourselves as well, in English language and Hindi language, okay. So I wanted to say only this thing. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thank you for watching.